Imagine this. You're playing your favorite game on your device. Maybe it's Fortnite, maybe it's Roblox, maybe you're just scrolling memes. You're having the time of your life when suddenly, boom, you remember. You have a test tomorrow about fractions. Dun, dun, dun! And worst of all, you don't even know what a fraction is. Not how it works, not how it looks, nothing! But don't freak out, 'cause I got you. I'm gonna teach you how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions the easy way. And we're making it fun. Let's go.
Section 1. What is a fraction? A fraction is just a way to show you're working with part of something, not the whole thing. Like, if you eat 3 slices of pizza out of 8, you just ate 3/8 of the pizza. Boom, you're already using fractions and you didn't even know it. Section 2. How to add fractions. Okay, let's say you have 1/4 of a candy bar and your friend gives you 2/4 more. Do you add the bottoms? Nope, only the tops. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Bottom stays 4. So the answer is 3/4. Only the tops. Got it? The bottoms don't move. What if the bottoms are different? Now, what if you get 1/3 plus 1/4? Oof, different bottoms. So you gotta make those bottoms match. This is where the least common denominator, aka LCD, comes in. What's a number that both 3 and 4 can go into? Let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12. Boom. Now, change the fractions to both have 12 on the bottom, but don't cheat, you have to multiply the top and bottom. 1/3 multiplied by 4 equals 4/12. 1/4 multiplied by 3 equals 3/12. Now just add the tops. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Final answer? 7/12. Section 3. Subtracting fractions. This one's just like adding, but in reverse. Only subtract the tops. Example, 5/8 minus 2/8 equals. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Bottom stays 8. Answer equals 3/8. Different bottoms? Yup, same trick. LCD party. Section 4. Multiplying fractions. Okay, multiplying fractions is actually the easiest thing here. No LCD, no stress. Super chill. You just multiply straight across. Top times top, bottom times bottom. Example, 2/3 times 3/4. Top 2 times 3 is 6, bottom 3 times 4, 12. Answer 6/12, which simplifies to 1/2, like it's magic. And that's it. No tricks, no drama, just multiply and chill. Section 5. Dividing fractions. And now, the one that scares every student ever. Dividing fractions. But here's the cheat code. Keep, change, flip. Here's what that means. Example, 2/3 dividing 4/5. Keep the first fraction, 2/3. Change the dividee to times. Flip the second one, 5/4. Now it becomes 2/3 dividings times 5/4. Top 2 times 5 equals 10. Bottom 3 times 4 equals 12. So 10/12 and simplify 5/6. You just divided a fraction, no sweat. Quick recap time. Add subtract equals only the tops. Make the bottoms match first. Multiplots equals straight across. Top times top, bottom times bottom. Divide equals keep, change, flip, then multiply. Simplify equals divide top and bottom by the same number. All right, let's put your brain to the test. 4 questions. I'll say the answer after each one. If you got it right, go ahead and do a little victory dance. Let's go! Pause the video to answer the questions. Question 1. What's 3/8 plus 2/8? If you got 5/8, you are correct. Question 2. What's 1/6 plus 1/4? If you got 5/12, you are correct. Question 3. What's 2/3 times 3/5? If you got 2/5, you are correct. Question 4. What's 3/4 divided by 2/5? If you got 15/8 or 1 7/8, you are correct.
Now you can go ace that fraction test like a math warrior.
If this helped you, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more math hacks. I'm Stick Brains, sir, you're awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.